On the left-hand side, go to Apps, search for Frame. Now, all of these options, such as Image to Frame or Frame Maker, they require you to be a pro member to be able to turn this exact image into a custom frame. So if you do not want to do that, the alternative option is to go back to Apps, and for the time being, at the time of making this video, you can use Trace to Frame. Now, what this does is that it allows you to trace the frame that you want to create based on the image selected. So it's not automated, but if you're looking for a free way to create a frame from an image, this is one method you can try. Obviously, this is at the time of making this video, it's free. Things could change later on, but for now, you can use this Trace to Frame app to be able to create your own custom frame. So what you do is you click on the image, then you can hit Start Tracing. Now you can start adding points to the frame that you want to create. So I want to create a frame based on the shape of this person. So I'm just going to start here at the top and just start tracing around this person. So this might take a little bit of time, and you might want to enlarge your image to the maximum extent so that you can get an accurate tracing. So this is what it looks like at the end. And when I'm done, I can click Add to Design. And this is the frame that I made based on this image here. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.